chocolate covered almonds. Finally made it. First time camping with no tent. This is cozy. Today I got a super special dinner. So this is called bag. It's a Persian delicacy. And then we got the kubide. This is very popular Persian food. This is what you call noon barbari, which is also a Persian bread. And I got a lemon. I don't have oil, which kind of sucks, but oh, you know what? I do have oil. So lemon juice. Nice. I'm a genius. Time for sleep, and it's raining. Good morning. It's not raining, so that's good. When I went to sleep, it said it was gonna rain till about 10 a.m. Last night wasn't cold at all. Now it's really cold though. As far as adventures go for 2021, this is the last one. I gotta get back early. Today is actually Halloween, so happy Halloween if you're celebrating. Thank you guys so much for all the kind comments. They're probably not probably, they are the best part of sharing my adventures. For those of you who have been watching since the very first episode, I want to give a shout out to Ali, of course, Cassandra. Every single time he's the first person commenting. Thank you. Bullish on ICP. I see you comment every single time. Thank you. Of course, my family. You've been super supportive and I really appreciate that. And if I'm forgetting you, I'm sorry, but thank you guys. Oh, I'm Jarhead. Thank you. I see you comment every single time as well. I will be posting every single piece of gear that I've used over the last year. I'm going to break it into 3 different categories of cooking equipment, camping equipment, and clothing. If you want to see those reviews, they'll be on my second channel, Adventure Lad Shorts. I'm super excited for the snow. When the snow drops, I'll be back. See you in season 2. Mr. Frog, I'm trying to sleep. What are you doing here?